Welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into BGH employee account. First of all, on your desktop open up any web browser that you are comfortable with, and on the search URL type in BGH employee login. Press enter on your keyboard. Now from your interface click on the first link, that is staff login. Then you will be taken to this page. Now to log into your account, on your left hand side click on my BGH. You will be taken to sign in page. Now first of all enter your valid email address or your phone number or your Skype ID. If you can't access your account, you can get help through this link that says can't access your account, and that will help you out to find your account. After you're done typing in your email address, click on next button, and on the next page you have to enter your correct password, and after you do that click on login button, and then you will be successfully logged into your BGH employee account. And that's how you can log into BGH employee account. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.